Welcome everyone, it's Philip here. On today's video I would like to talk a bit about Cardano platform and ADA cryptocurrency. If you are looking for news and information about cryptocurrencies, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to buy your first cryptocurrencies, you can click on my username, and after you're gonna be moved to my main profile page, you've got a link right here for Coinbase. This is one of the largest exchanges where you will be able to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin or Ethereum. Also, if you will register from this specific link on Coinbase, Coinbase will give you $10 free worth of Bitcoin after you're gonna spend over $100. And if you would like to keep your cryptocurrencies safe, you've got a link right here for Ledger Nano S. This is one of the safest physical wallets for storing cryptocurrencies. Also, bear in mind that everything you're gonna hear in this video is just my private opinion, so this is not a financial advice. Okay then, so current market cap is $218 billion right now, and ADA, the currency of Cardano, costs 2.6 cents right now. It's 1.26% down. The total market cap is $674 million. Volume is on $6.3 million. Circulating supply is almost 26 billion, which is a lot. And max supply is 45 billion coins, and all of them will be mined in next 24 years. So we will have 45 billion of coins in circulation in next 24 years. Right now, Cardano is number 18 according to market cap. That's how chart looks like. So this is quite new cryptocurrency. We had some ups, we had some downs. Right now, like I said, it's around 2.6 cents. Right now, I am on main Cardano page. This is cardanohub.org. So what is a Cardano? Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain and cryptocurrency project, and it's fully open source. So long story short, Cardano, it's a platform where we will be able to build smart contracts and decentralized applications. So it's similar to Ethereum, similar to Neo, similar to Lisk. Also, we will have currency called ADA that costs 2.6 cents right now. And we will have a wallet that will be multi-wallet. So basically, what Cardano is trying to do, they are trying to combine all the best ideas from all the cryptocurrencies that we've got right now, combine them into one super cryptocurrency. Cardano is called Ethereum of Japan. So it was built in Hong Kong by the company called InputOutput Hong Kong, and even though even if it's built in Hong Kong, it's still called the Ethereum of Japan. And the reason behind that is that when there was ICO was basically split into 4 different stages. It started in 2015, as all the projects started in 2015. But 95% of people that bought Cardano on the ICO stage are from Japan. Then we've got 3.2% from Korea and 1.59%, 1.6% is from China. So we can say without any doubt that this is a Asia the cryptocurrency that is basically looking on the Asian market. 95% is coming from Japan, and for this reason it's called the Ethereum of Japan. As you guys know, we already got cryptocurrency called Ethereum, and we've got cryptocurrency called Chinese Ethereum, which is Neo. So long story short, this cryptocurrency is trying to solve similar problems to basically they're trying to allow people to build smart contracts and decentralized applications, which are called dApps, on this platform. So this is one more cryptocurrency that is trying to allow people to create those dApps and smart contracts, which means that this cryptocurrency is not the only one. There will be a lot of different projects that will be trying to do the same. So basically, the competition is quite big. If you'd like to buy Cardano, so basically the ADA currency, you can buy it on Bittrex. So the website is bittrex.com, and the thing is that, like I told you guys, that 95% of people that participated in ICO, 95% of people that bought this cryptocurrency on the ICO stage is coming from Japan. And if it's coming to Bittrex, only 5% of Bittrex users is coming from Japan. So the thing is that Japanese people got some problems with Bittrex, that if they want to create some account, they are waiting for the approval. They are waiting to be approved over a week. So when I was creating my account on Bittrex, it took me around 5 up to 6 minutes. So Chinese people need to wait around a week for the verification, and also when they are trying to withdraw the large amounts of Bitcoin, they also need to wait around a week for the approval. The thing is, like I said, only 5% of users of Bittrex is from Japan. For this reason, the volume is quite low. And I believe that as soon as Cardano will be hitting more and more exchanges, the volume will be going higher. And in my opinion, that means that price will be going higher as well. Basically, by putting Cardano on new exchanges, that will allow more people to buy and trade this cryptocurrency. So right now I am on main Cardano website. As I told you guys, the currency is called ADA, and as we can read here, soon we will have ADA on Cryptopia, which means that I believe the volume will go a bit higher and we will be able to see some price movements because of that reason. But I think that the price will boom after Cardano will hit exchanges like Poloniex or Bitfinex. So there is a potential for growth. I am right now on the InputOutput Hong Kong page. So this is the company that is working on Cardano project. It was founded in 2015 by two people, Charles Hoskinson and Jeremy Wood. And what we can read about those guys on their profile pages is that they were working previously for Ethereum. And this man, Charles Hoskinson, he was a CEO of Ethereum. So to be honest, he was working for Ethereum only for 6 months. So it's not that long, but he was a CEO. That means that he knew all about this project. He knew all about the problems that Ethereum is finding on its way and on a development way. So I think that this guy got a very, very good chance to build a Japanese version of Ethereum, and at least he will have chance to build it much faster than Ethereum is building, as he knows all the problems he can find. He knows all the problems he can get on the way. Well, basically the guy got experience, and he is doing that for the second time. And as you guys know, the second time is easier than building something first time from the scratch. The second guy, Jeremy Wood, he was also working for Ethereum for 2 years, from 2013 up to 2015, and as he left, he basically started this InputOutput Hong Kong company. Also, what is very, very good about this project is, as we're gonna go into the project tab, we can see that they are working on a Cardano and they are working on Daedalus. Daedalus is a wallet. So what we can see about the Cardano, as we're gonna choose the Cardano tab and we're gonna click on the team tab, this is the team that is working on Cardano. This team is one of the largest teams I've ever seen since I'm doing the researches on the cryptocurrencies, and I was checking each one of those guys, and they know what they're doing. Those people have got experience, and this is one of the best teams I've ever seen. But what is more interesting is that the wallet called Daedalus got separate team. So separate people are working on Daedalus project. So it's very, very good in my opinion. And from one side, it's, you know, I'm quite shocked, and I'm really I really like the team. The team is amazing. The team is big. From the other side, but for the things that they promise us, the team must be so big, because in my opinion they wouldn't be able to deliver things that they've promised, as they promise basically everything. as InputOutput Hong Kong team said, they've done research on over 1,000 projects, 1,000 cryptocurrencies. They've chosen all the best parts, all the best things from those cryptocurrencies, and they've put all of those ideas, the best ideas from all those cryptocurrencies, into one project, and they call this project Cardano. So what they are trying to do, they are trying to create super cryptocurrency that got all the best ideas that ever been implemented. So this Cardano cryptocurrency will have its own currency, so it will work like a currency. We will have ADA currency. It will have its own wallet, and this wallet, it is we can download it for the Windows and Mac right now. Right now they are working on the Linux version and mobile version, so we will have version of this wallet for all the platforms. Also, this wallet will have multi-sig option, so the same thing what NEM got, NEM. So we will be able to use that for the large businesses, like a multi-sig. If you don't know what multi-sig is, just check my video about NEM currency. I've explained it what multi-sig is. This is a very, very good idea, and it's useful for the large companies. Also, this wallet will be multi-wallet that will allow people to store not only Cardano, but also Bitcoin and Ethereum Classic. Also, they've got, they will have their own debit card. So they are doing the same project as 10x is doing. So they will have their own debit card, and this debit card will be connected with mobile version of this Daedalus wallet. So we will be able to see live how much money we've got on our debit card. We'll be able to basically send cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, and Cardano, actually ADA, on our wallet, and we'll be able to spend it with our debit card anywhere we want. So like I said, this project is combining all the best idea from the all cryptocurrencies. So the team must be big, because in my opinion, they wouldn't deliver the things that they're promising without a large and good team. This is one of the best teams I've ever seen. So as we can read here, there will be 45 billion of ADA coins, which is, in my opinion, a lot. In my opinion, it's too much. But what they are saying is that in Japan, the currency in Japan is got a lot big numbers as well. So for the example, 10,000 yen is around $100. So they were trying to create the same experience for the Japanese people that they've got with their own national currency. They didn't want to make small numbers, as they are paying with tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands for the things there. So for example, if Japanese person would like to spend $1,000, they need to pay 100,000 yen. One ADA is basically divided into 1 million of Lovelaces. So the smallest amount we can buy, we can purchase, is 1 Lovelace. It's 1 millionth of ADA. What I also like about this project is their roadmap. Roadmap is just unbelievable. It's so clear. You know when they want to do the things, what they want to do, who's going to be working on the project, and also, as we're going to go down, they're doing updates and they've got countdown. So we know the next update will be in 15 days and 4 hours, which is a brilliant to me. This is such a clear project. If you're gonna go on their website, you don't have to do any more research anywhere else. You will be able to find all the information that you need just on their website. They've made a brilliant job on explaining the project, on basically explaining us what they are trying to achieve. Also, they're doing such a thing like weekly updates. So every week we know what's going on. They're doing the updates. They're using Twitter, Reddit. It's quite a good place to read informations about it. And if you really like GitHub, if you are a programmer, if you will go into Cardano GitHub, this is amazing. This GitHub is just amazing. They are really working on this project. So as you know me, guys, I'm always at the end of the videos I'm doing the good things about the projects, bad things about the projects. I'm talking about the pros, I'm talking about the cons. So let's talk about the pluses of Cardano project. So first of all, the team is big and the team is amazing and the team got a lot of experience. CEO was working for the Ethereum as a CEO of Ethereum. The other guy was also working for Ethereum for 2 years. In Japan, for right now, we can withdraw Cardano from the cash points. It's only 5 of them right now. Soon it will be 30. But it's just showing that they are working on this project, that they're trying all possible ways to get into the market, to get into the people. So this is a good thing in my opinion as well. Also, as I mentioned, they're doing weekly updates. The project is clear. We know basically what they are trying to achieve. They also are building that virtual machine, the same that Ethereum got. So we will be able to build dApps and smart contracts on this platform. They got their own wallet, so we are not risking by keeping this cryptocurrency on the exchanges. The wallet is working very good. I've tested. It's a good wallet and we won't have problems the same like we had recently with IOTA wallet. I am big fan of IOTA, but the wallet that we used to had, right now we've got new one, but the wallet we used to had, it was just it was a joke, you know. For the cryptocurrency such as IOTA, the wallet that we were using, the experience we had from this wallet, it was just a joke. So if it comes to Cardano, they've got their own wallet. We can download it for Mac, we can download it for Windows. Soon it will be for Linux and the mobile platforms. So it's a very good idea. And also they will have similar thing that 10x got. So they will have their own debit card and they've got multi-sig wallet on top of that. So those are the pluses, the pros of Cardano. So what are the bad things that I found about the Cardano? First thing, you guys need to remember that this is another project that is trying to allow people to build dApps and smart contracts. So we already got Ethereum, we already got Neo, we already got Lisk, and we already got numbers of different projects that are trying to allow people to build dApps. Lisk soon will have SDK release, so we will be able to build dApps and smart contracts on Lisk. Neo, we already can do it on a Neo. People are already using Ethereum. So this is another project that is trying to solve same problem to allow us to build those dApps. So it's nothing new. They're not trying to do anything new. Also, you just guys need to remember that the fact is that the team of Cardano promised us everything. So they promised us currency, they promised us smart contracts, they promised us whatever 10x is doing. They basically read everything that other cryptocurrencies got, combined them into one and promised us that they will deliver it. I'm not saying that they won't, but also what I'm trying to say is that they're not gonna deliver it in the next 2 or 3 months. So in my opinion, do not expect price rise around 5 or 10x in next to 3 months. Okay, so in my opinion, the projects that are concentrating on one thing got bigger chance to deliver whatever they're promising than one project that is concentrating on everything. So the one project that is trying to do everything, solve all the problems. You know, the team is big, but in my opinion, it's not as big to do everything. And the last thing what I want to mention is that the amount of coins is really big. Okay, so 26 billion of coins, and each of it costs 2.6 cents. The market cap is $674 million. So the price, if you know, don't expect the price to be around $20 or $30. It's impossible. It won't happen in the next in the short future. I'm not saying it won't happen ever, okay? Because as we know, there is many people coming into cryptocurrency world. Every year there's twice more people interested in cryptocurrencies. So I'm not saying it won't happen ever, but what I'm saying is that it won't happen soon. The thing is that if we are expecting price to go 10 times up, like it happened with Lisk recently, like it happened last year with Ethereum, with Neo, with many projects that went 10x within a year. So Cardano to go 10x right now, the market cap would be around $6.7 billion, which means it would be fourth cryptocurrency or even third cryptocurrency according to market cap. So this cryptocurrency will have to win with Litecoin. It would double Litecoin in market cap. So it would be fifth cryptocurrency right now. It would have to win with Neo, that is already in use. It would have to win with Lisk. So you know, don't expect price to go 10x in short future. I'm not saying it won't happen, but don't expect it now because of the amount of the coins that they've got. So this coin to reach, let's say, $2 per coin, to go 100x up, it will have to be number 2, and it will have to beat Ethereum twice by market cap. So those are the things that I don't like about Cardano. Like I'm feeling that they are trying to solve too many problems at the same time, and the amount of the coins is quite big. But apart from that, this is one of the largest, like I said, one of the largest teams I've ever seen, one of the best teams I've ever seen, one of the most experienced teams I've ever seen. And well, if they're gonna deliver what they've promised, this coin will be huge. So thank you very much, guys, for listening to me. At the end of this video, I would just like to show you the interview with CEO. I'm gonna attach a link to this video underneath of my video in the description box. So if you are interested in seeing the interview with CEO, just check under my video that I'm creating right now. Thank you very much, guys, and see ya in the next video. Cheers.